welcome to my channel. Today I want to try to make some chocolate Christmas bark. I've never tried it before, but let's do this. For the chocolate barks you need chocolates. I want to make two different ones, one with milk chocolate and one with white chocolate. For the decorations on the milk chocolate I got some meringues and marshmallows. For the white chocolates I have some peppermint canes and chocolate hearts. So let's get started. To crush the candy canes I will be using a mortar. I don't know what it's called in English. If you're Jessica, it's your problem to look it up. I'm just gonna mash them together. One candy cane was more than enough, you don't need the other ones. For making the actual chocolate bark I will be storing them on 2 trays. I will put some baking sheet over them and then put them in the freezer or fridge, depending on how you feel. They will fit perfectly. You just have to cut it in half and put it on the trays. Tip of the day: wet the trays before putting on the baking sheets and they will stick perfectly. You're freaking welcome. To spread out the chocolates. An even layer if you can. I don't know if I can. Oh no. Okay, so I poured down the chocolate on the both trays, and now you might wonder, Jessica, you're a freaking idiot, why is it white chocolate left? Because I want some of the darker chocolate, because I want it to simulate like hot chocolate. That's why I chose marshmallows and some meringues. So let's do this. Well, I tried. So the memory card got full, but welcome to the masterpiece. Put some chocolate hearts on because I thought it was cute. And let's put it in the fridge. On to the next one. It seems a bit thinner. Here we go. First off, let's put some peppermint canes on it. Some sexy chocolate on chocolate action. Here we go. The winter wonderland chocolate bark is finished. Let's put it in a freezer and see how it will turn out. So the chocolates are ready. It was like a half an hour in the freezer. So let's try it. I don't know how you're supposed to like break it or. Let's try it. Hello. Do you want to taste some chocolate? Vill du smaka någon som choklad? Kom! Kaffe. Nej. Gott. Gott. Okay, do you want to try? Here's some white chocolate. And
I'm gonna eat it.
and you're gonna eat it?
And I'm very dirty.
Ain't we all? Wanna go?
Mm.
Wanna try something?
That's delicious.
Oh my god!
Har du här bit och
That's the hot chocolate inspired one. Like some cream foam and marshmallow. You're welcome. Har du något att säga?
Det är utsmält choklad.
Utsmält choklad. Bye. Merry Christmas. Man måste göra så här. Aesthetic!